Now Mathot turns it over to Bowman. Drayson Bowman to the outside of Chris Neal. He stays with it, but it's broken up. Zach Smith has it, elevating the puck all the way back in the Kane zone. Greening's on it, caught off by Hudobin. Komisarek on the spot again as the Hurricanes get it deep.
It's key slot coverage. Ottawa's had a much better start than they did.
Gerby, he scores! Now you see it, now you don't. Nathan Gerby from a tough angle. All the way across for Jeff Skinner. Tough time getting to it, peppered by Clark MacArthur. And away shorthanded is Kyle Turris. He has Carlson wide open. Here he comes. What a stop by Anton Hudobin. Now, Gerby away from Eric Condra. Getting to it now, full bowling, shooting one, picked off by Robin Leonard. Shots are 10-6 Ottawa, where it counts the Canes by one, off the goalpost. Jordan Staal, the red light comes on, the referee says it's in, and Carolina has a 2-0 lead. Situation room, he was in the far corner. It'll go right off the pipe and out. That's what I thought originally. But then the red light came on. The referee
determined that the puck did not go in the net. Therefore, we have no goal.
They jam in front of the boards. It kicks out. Mike Komisarek in control. Out to center ice, but in the skates of Malhotra. Here's Ceci moving in. His shot caught by Anton Hudobin. He'll turn it back. Out to center ice. Jordan Staal moving up. His shot patted down by Leonard. The rebound stays out. Jordan Staal, a couple of great chances there. Alexander Semin, a nice move on Phillips, and out they come. Here's Eric, in on Leonard, he scores! What a pass by Alex Semin, and the captain cashes in, and Carolina leads it by 2. Consistency in terms of points extends over 30 games now in a row. Played here by Nathan Gerby. Out in front, they score! That's hockey, baby! Nathan Gerby to Manny Malhotra. 3-0 Carolina. Comes to the outside. He tries the other side now. Nash holding. He scores! Hey, what do you say? It's Riley Nash finishing off the Andre Sekera show. He's on the brakes. Threads it across for Greiba. Here it comes. Stopped by Hudobin. They center across. They score. Kyle Turris breaks the shutout. Ottawa on the scoreboard. Wait for Kyle Turris and back out. Clark MacArthur over the line. Walks in shorthanded. Turris scores! Kyle Turris with a shorthanded goal. And Ottawa's down by 2. Out to dead center. In control, they carry over the line. Tuomo-Ruutu scores! Tuomo-Ruutu finds a way to get it by Robin Leonard, and Carolina has a 3-goal cushion.
Shorthanded, coming back to really shoot him in the foot.
And they score! Mika Zibanejad! A penalty was being called on the way through. Bobby Ryan drew the penalty. Now Carlson will start from his own zone. Erik Karlsson through the middle. MacArthur's in. His shot sealed off by Hudobin. He gave up a rebound again, but getting to it was Justin Falk. Open ice. Nathan Gerby. Cowan gets back. He'll stop. Pirouette a couple of times. Broken up by Cowan, but not out. Eric in control. Hainsey at the point. Harrison spins one, caught by Craig Anderson. And now, goal. Eric Staal attempts to move it. Semin for Toulouse, a good play, and out they go. Semin, an upright save made by Craig Anderson.
The new rule this year where it's no gray area, you either touch or you don't, but now when a player lifts the stick, they're good call.
Skinner's shot rejected by Anderson, who melts it down. Rolled back out to center ice. Harrison gave it away to Chris Neal. Neal to the outside of him, circles, wrap chance, denied by Hudobin. He's with it. He's defended by Hainsey. It's moved by Lyles, not out. Spezza through the goal crease. Karlsson with a shot off the blocker of Hudobin. Empty net situation. Nathan Gerby lays it ahead. Here they come. Malhotra. That'll do it. Manny Malhotra with his second goal in the afternoon, and Carolina leads by 3.